Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of wavy hair. First, let's talk about cleansing. It's crucial to use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to avoid stripping your hair of its natural moisture. Aim to wash your hair about 2 or 3 times a week, allowing your scalp's natural oils to nourish your waves. When detangling, always be gentle, starting from the ends and working your way up with a wide tooth comb to prevent breakage. Next, let's focus on hydration and styling to enhance your beautiful waves. After washing, apply a generous amount of leave-in conditioner to damp hair to lock in moisture and reduce frizz. Then, scrunch your hair gently with a curl-enhancing cream or gel to define your wave pattern. For drying, air drying is ideal, but if you use a diffuser, ensure it's on a low heat and low speed setting to protect your hair. Protecting your waves is essential for long-term hair health. Consider sleeping on a silk or satin pillowcase. This significantly reduces friction and helps prevent frizz and tangles overnight. When exposed to sun or chlorine, use protective sprays or leave-in treatments to shield your hair from damage. Remember, minimizing excessive heat styling, like flat ironing or curling, will keep your waves vibrant and strong. Finally, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid and helpful tips. Never brush your wavy hair when it's dry, as this can lead to significant frizz and completely disrupt your natural wave pattern. Overwashing can strip your hair of essential oils, so stick to 2 or 3 washes per week. Regular trims, about every 3 to 4 months, are also vital for removing split ends and promoting healthy hair growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.